You're watching How Leap. Let's disconnect your phone number from Facebook directly. Start by logging into your Facebook account using a web browser on your computer for the easiest method, though you can also use the mobile app. Click the small arrow in the top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings. On the left sidebar, select Personal and Account Information. On the main page, click Contact Info. You will see your listed phone number here. Click on the number and a small window will open. Select the option that says Remove or shows a trash can icon. Facebook will now ask you to confirm your identity. It may prompt you for your current Facebook password. Enter only your password here. To proceed, do not enter any code sent elsewhere. Once confirmed, your phone number will be deleted from your profile immediately. Ensure you have a secure email address set as your primary contact method for future logins. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.